Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change phone number on Discord. So follow these steps to update your phone number in Discord. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and visit the Discord web app at discord.com and then click open Discord and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in the bottom left corner of the home page, go ahead and locate the settings icon, which is the gear wheel next to your username. Click on it to open the user settings menu. In the left-hand navigation menu, click on My Account, which is typically the first option and the default option. On the My Accounts page, scroll down until you find the option to change your phone number. So now you have your display name, your username, your email, and you have your phone number. Now click on the edit button or pencil, which is the edit button right next. All right, it could be a pencil icon depending on your interface. But now I do not have a phone number, but if you do, click on, instead of add, it's going to be edit. Now click on the edit button that is next to the phone number. Then once you click on that, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter your new phone number. Now type in the new phone number and click next or verify. Now Discord will send a verification code to the phone number via SMS. Check your messages and enter the verification code to enter the prompt on Discord. Then click verify to complete the process. Once verified, your new phone number will replace the old one in the phone section of your account. If you cannot access your old phone number, you may need to contact Discord support to help update your account. Make sure the new phone number is valid and can receive SMS messages for verification. Now, go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.